In an unexpected move, the New York Giants have decided to part ways with their special teams coordinator, Mcgaughey. The decision marks the beginning of the offseason for the Giants, who have opted for a change within their coaching staff. According to reputable sources, including Jordan Ronan of ESPN, the Giants have confirmed that Mcgaughey's tenure with the team has come to an end, while the exact reasons for his dismissal have not been disclosed. It appears that the organization has deemed it necessary to make a change in order to enhance the team's performance. Mcgaughey, who had been with the Giants in this role, has undoubtedly played a significant role in the team's special teams unit. However, it seems that the organization has decided to pursue a fresh direction for the upcoming season. The decision to let go of Mcgaughey showcases the Giants' commitment to making the necessary adjustments to improve their overall performance on the field. As the team begins its off-season preparations, finding a suitable replacement for Mcgaughey will be one of the key priorities for the Giants' coaching staff. The search for a new special teams coordinator will undoubtedly involve thorough evaluations and consideration of potential candidates. The Giants are likely aiming to find a coach who can not only bring extensive experience, but also implement innovative strategies to strengthen the team's special teams unit. This decision reflects the organization's unwavering dedication to success and a determination to address any areas of concern. It remains to be seen how the Giants will navigate this coaching change in order to benefit the team moving forward. As the offseason progresses, fans and analysts alike will be closely watching the developments within the coaching staff, as they eagerly anticipate the Giants' upcoming season and improvements in the special teams unit.